In this video, we're going to show you how to set and save a map on your Temi. You only need to set up your map once to enhance Temi's navigation accuracy, so make sure you follow this tutorial to do it right. First, let's learn how to place your home base correctly. Place your home base on a hard, level surface, flat against the wall. There should be at least 1.5 feet of space on both sides of the home base. Make sure the charging cable is not in the way. Keep at least 4 feet of clear space in front of the home base, so Temi can easily go back. If this is your first time creating a map on Temi, please go to Settings, select Navigation, tap Mapping Tutorial, and follow the guidelines. This interactive tutorial will guide you every step of the way, so give it a try. Even if you are already familiar with Temi and have a map set, we encourage you to remap your Temi to enjoy the new navigation experience. To do that, go to Settings and select Map Editor. Under Map Options, you can choose Remap. This will reset your current map so you can create a new one. Now, you can start mapping. Tap the Interaction button at the top of Temi's head to make it follow you around. Try to reach all the areas and rooms you would like Temi to be familiar with. Please make sure you do not lift Temi off the floor during the mapping process. When you're done, have Temi follow you to the home base. When you're 3 feet away from the home base, select Save Map and then Send to Home Base, and let Temi return by itself. Once Temi arrives at the home base, select Save to confirm. You can also review the map prior to saving. An ideal map will fit your surroundings and layout. Backup map. We recommend that you back up your saved map, just in case the locations will be deleted or the map will be reset in the future. Your backed up map will be saved on Temi Center. Please be aware that new rooms or new areas cannot be added to the current map, so make sure you map your desired space entirely. If you would still like to add new rooms or new areas, return to Settings and select Map Editor. Under Map Options, you can choose Continue Mapping. After you finish mapping the new areas you wanted to add, select Save Map and send Temi to the home base. Once Temi arrives at the home base, select Save to confirm. Adding locations, paths, or virtual walls on Temi. Once you have saved and backed up your map, it's time to customize it to your needs. Locations. In the Map Editor, you can edit or add your locations. To add a new location on Temi, you can tap Locations Options and then Set New Location on the Map Editor, or tap the plus sign on your home screen. Name your location and press Save. Temi will remember its exact location, its orientation, and the screen's tilt angle when saving. Paths. Since Temi is always navigating autonomously, it will take the shortest route to a specific location. If you'd like Temi to follow a specific path, you can also add paths for Temi to follow. To add a new path, go to Settings and select Map Editor, tap Path Options, and then Add Path. Temi should be at the starting point of the path you want to add. Tap Temi's Interaction button at the top of its head and make it follow you through the path you want to add. When you are done, tap End Path. Virtual walls. You can add virtual walls to block Temi from getting into specific areas. We recommend you add virtual walls near staircases, steep drops, or glass walls. To add a new virtual wall, you can tap Map Editor, select Virtual Wall Options, and tap Add Virtual Wall. Temi should be at the starting point of the virtual wall you want to add. Tap the Interaction button at the top of Temi's head and make it follow you through the path where the virtual wall is. When you're done, tap End Wall. At any point, you can tap Undo Recent Changes to undo your last change. When you are done editing your map, we recommend you back up your map. In addition, you can also edit your map on Temi Center at center.robottemi.com. For any questions on the new mapping process, be sure to reach out to our support team on the Temi app.